Trying to encourage your teen to stop avoiding what makes them anxious. They accuse you of being invalidating. What do? Stick around for Parenting Judo lesson number 2. I'm Jenny Wong with Project Parent. I'm a psychologist and parent coach. Step 1, stop. You know the voice inside your head that's thinking, oh crap, I don't know what to say. What do I do? What do I do? You're okay, because you haven't necessarily been invalidating. Step 2, take a deep breath to ground yourself. Step 3, remind yourself that validation is very different than agreement with. It is acknowledgement of, and you can acknowledge the anxiety that your teen has and at the same time disagree with his desired strategy of avoidance. Step 4, say to your teen, I know you're upset with me because I'm pushing you and that you feel very invalidated. I'm guessing it leaves you really feeling like I'm not on your side. That's got to be hard. The move you're making here is that in saying this, you are being validating. Step 5, say to your teen, now we do disagree on a few things. Number 1, I think you're bigger than your fear. And number 2, we don't let fear win. I'd really like to help you see the ways you're way bigger than your fear. They may come back by continuing to accuse you of being invalidating. This is where you hold your clarity in mind, going back to step number 1. Validation is not the same thing as agreement.